Man, let me tell you, it's Funky Phil here. I just want to tell you something. Funky Phil, the Phonics man, you know what I'm saying? Mr. O's Hip Hop School. Like, check this out, man. You got to walk your post in a perfect manner. What does that mean, man? You got to walk the tightrope through all this jungle and all this mess, man. You got to walk that tightrope, man. You can't be playing around, man. You got to stay focused, man. All right? Because I was in your shoes, too, man. I was in your shoes. I was cool. I was playing the fool. I was being a class clown and all that stuff, man. Fighting and beating people down and laughing and joking, man. But I kept getting in trouble, man. And one day something hit me, man. And said, yo, man, you got to stop, man. And I started doing good. I started getting A's, man. When I really said that, it was time to focus, man. So I could be something in life. I started getting A's, man. I started getting A's. What did I say? I started getting A's. So the moral of the story is, like Kool Moe D said, I might laugh and a joke, but I don't play. I might laugh and a joke, but I don't play. See you later.